Yes, good morning, Nana. As per student demand, they want the YouTube class recording class. So that is the reason I will send the YouTube recording class. Sometimes I will conduct the Zoom class for clarification of your doubts. మీ డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫికేషన్ కోసం జూమ్ క్లాస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను. రికార్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్ పంపిస్తానంటాను. బిఫోర్ డేనా ఆ డేనా రికార్డ్ చేసేసి ఆ టైంలో మీ క్లాస్ అవర్ టైంలో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. యూ కెన్ ఎవ్రీడే యూ కెన్ వాచ్ ద యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్ అండ్ అటెండ్ ద జూమ్ క్లాస్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్, మీకేమైనా డౌట్ ఉందంటే నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి. 9703010007. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై నెంబర్. ఈ నెంబర్ కాల్ చేసి డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫికేషన్ కావాలంటే ఏ టైంలో అయినా డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై చేస్తానన్నా. మ్యాక్సిమం ఏమైనా డ్రైవింగ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు తప్పనించి రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ టైంలో, బిజీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు టైం కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ టైంలో డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. Now today class first problem. Yesterday I explained the one problem. Again I repeat the problem, those problems. After that you can see the remaining. Second question, first bit 1.2. Integral of tan power 4x into secant square x. Observe this tan x derivative is what? Secant square x. We know the formula integral of f4 n of x into f dash x dx. What is the formula I have? f4 n plus 1 of x by n plus 1 plus c. N should be not equal to minus 1. N should be not equal to minus 1. Now I can take f of x as tan x. What is f dash x here? Tan x derivative secant square x. Tan x derivative is secant square x. Then this becomes a tan power 4x into secant square x dx becomes tan x whole power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. That is tan power 5x by 5 plus c. Okay, Nana? Copy it. Next, second bit. Integral of secant x by secant x plus tan x whole power n. Integral of secant x by secant x plus tan x whole power n dx. Denominator part you can take as t. Denominator part you can take as t. So take secant x plus tan x equal to t. Let differentiate it. What is secant x derivative? Secant x into tan x plus tan x derivative is secant square x. X derivative is dx equal to dt. From these two, what is the common letter? Secant x. Take common secant x. Then secant x plus tan x. From the secant square x, one secant x common, remaining one secant x. From secant x in tan x, secant x common, remaining plus tan x, dx equal to dt. This value is t. So secant x into t dx equal to dt. Then obviously secant x dx equal to dt by t. So you have to consider that 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power n into secant x dx. So this is the 1 by t power n. Secant x into dx is dt by t. This is the 1 by a power m into a power n. A power m plus n. That means t power n plus 1 dt. Take in the numerator. That is integral of t power numerator, it becomes a minus n minus 1 dt. What is integral of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 t power minus n minus 1 plus 1 by minus n minus 1 plus 1 plus c. In place of n you have minus n minus 1. Apply the formula, x power n formula, we get this. 1 get cancelled, 1 get cancelled. T power minus 1 means 1 by t power n, plus by minus minus 1 by n into t power n plus c. But given variable in terms of x, So what is the value of t have? Secant x plus tan x. Substitute on that. That is a minus 1 by n into secant x plus tan x whole power n plus c is the answer. Copy it. Integral of sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Next, third bit, integral of sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Denominator value you can take as t. A cos square x plus b sin square x you can take as t. You have to differentiate it. A into derivative of x square is what? 2x. So derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x into cos x derivative is minus sin x plus b into sin square x derivative 2 sin x derivative cos x into x derivative is dx equal to what? dt equal to dt. Now this is the 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, so minus a sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x into b into dx equal to dt. Sin 2x common, sin 2x you have to take common, remaining plus b minus a dx equal to dt. In the given integral, sin 2x into dx is there. So b minus a bring the right hand side. So sin 2x dx equal to dt by b minus a. Now consider the given problem. 1 by a cos square x plus b sin square x sin 2x dx equal to, this becomes a 1 by t. Sin 2x dx, what is the value of? dt by b minus a. That is 1 by b minus a into integral of 1 by x is log mod x, log mod t plus c. So that is the 1 by b minus a into log mod b. T means what is the value of t? A cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. Copy that problem. Coming to next one, fourth bit. Put the pause button and copy the problem. Next, fourth bit, integral of 1 by 1 plus sin 2x. What is the sin 2x formula in terms of tan? This is a 1 by 1 plus sin 2x formula in terms of tan. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x formula in terms of tan is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. You have to take the LCM. This is the equal to 1 divided by 1 plus tan square x LCM. So 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x dx. Denominator taken numerator, this becomes the 1 plus tan square x. A square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 1 plus tan x whole square. 1 plus tan x whole square is 1 square means 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x into 1, 2 tan x. Now coming to 1 plus tan x derivative, 1 plus tan square x value is secant square x. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Denominator taken to numerator 1 plus tan x whole power minus 2 dx. Now it is in the form of integral of f dash x into f of x power n dx. What is the formula I have? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. F of x you can take as 1 plus tan x. What is f dash x? 1 derivative 0. Tan x derivative secant square x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So this secant square x is the derivative of 1 plus tan x. So it is in the form of f of x power n into f dash x. F of x power n into f dash x formula. What is the formula we have? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is the 1 plus tan x whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 plus tan x plus c is the answer. Copy it. Up to this problem we discussed yesterday. Up to 5th bit we discussed yesterday. Today we are going to complete remaining problems also. So in YouTube class it is possible to explain the more number of problems. 45 minutes లో మనకి మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కవర్ అవుతున్నాయి నాన్న. అందుకని మీ మెయిన్ రీజన్ యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్ కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి. మీకు డేటా సఫిషియెంట్గా లేదంటే చెప్పండి, ఎక్కడన్నా మళ్ళీ జూమ్ క్లాసే కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆస్క్ ద యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్, దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐ am recording the class. Coming to this problem, 1 by sin of x minus a into sin of x minus b. For converting into standard form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలండి. You have to convert it into standard form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలా. So multiply and divide by one term. Multiply and divide by one term you have to do. So first you can see the difference of the both the angles. Difference of the both the angles you can see. X minus a minus of x minus b. That is x minus a minus x plus b. X is cancelled. What is the remaining you have? B minus a. So multiply and divide with the sin of b minus a. Multiply and divide with the sin of b minus a. B minus a is a constant. So sin of b minus a is also constant. So 1 by sin of b minus a outside. Numerator you have to multiply sin of b minus a by sin of x minus a into sin of x minus b dx. In the integral numerator, add and subtract the x. B minus a value, what is the b minus a value? How? X minus a into minus of x minus b, sin of x minus a into minus of x minus b, hot right? In the numerator x b minus a, in place of b minus a, hot right that. So sin of b minus a I written sin of x minus a minus of x minus b. In place of b minus a, hot right? X minus a minus of x minus b. You can take this is as a, this is as b. What is sin of a minus b formula? Sin of a minus b, what is the formula I have? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. In place of a, what is a now? X minus a. In place of b, have x minus b. Substitute in the formula 1 by sin of b minus a into integral of, apply the formula sin a sin of x minus a into cos b cos of x minus b minus cos a cos of x minus a into sin b sin of x minus b. By denominator sin of x minus a into sin of x minus b dx. Split in the numerator 1 by sin of b minus a. Split the numerator nana. First turn by denominator sin of x minus a into cos of x minus b by, what is the denominator have? Sin of x minus a into sin of x minus b minus cos of x minus a into sin of x minus b by sin of x minus a into sin of x minus b dx. Now cancellation term, sin of x minus a, sin of x minus cancel, sin of x minus b, sin of x minus b cancel. Remaining you can observe that cos theta by sin theta. Remaining have cos theta by sin theta means cot theta. Cos by sin is cot. So that is equal to 1 by sin of b minus c into integral of cos by sin cot theta cot of x minus b minus cos by sin cot of x minus a dx. Integral of cot theta. What is the formula of integral of cot x dx? Very good. Log mod sin x. Integral of cot x dx is log mod sin x. So this is the 1 by sin of x minus b. Sorry, b minus a. Into integral of cot x is log mod sin x. Log mod sin of x minus b minus log mod sin of x minus a plus c. After completion of integration, remove the integral symbol, you can add the plus c. Now coming to log m minus log n. What is the formula of log m minus log n? Log of m by n. Log m minus log n is log of m by n. So in place of n we have sin of x minus b. In place of n we have sin of x minus a. Apply the formula. Log m minus log n is log of m by n. So this is the 1 by sin of b minus a into log of m by n sin of x minus b by sin of x minus a plus c. This is the answer. Copy it. Copy this one. Coming to sixth bit. Same previous problem, denominator sign is there. Now it is a cos we have. So same add is multiply and divide with the sign of b minus a. Sin of b minus a by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Same operation. So 1 by sin of b minus a. B minus a value. What is the b minus a value you have? X minus a minus of x minus b. Substitute in the numerator. Sin of x minus a minus of x minus b by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Numerator in the form of sin of a minus b. What is sin of a minus b formula? Sin of b minus a. Sin of a minus b formula. What is the formula I have? Sin a means x minus a. Cos b, cos of x minus b. Minus cos a. Cos a value is cos of x minus a. Sin b, sin of x minus b. By denominator. What is denominator here? Cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Split in the numerator. That is 1 by sin of b minus a. Split the numerator. Sin of x minus a into cos of x minus b by denominator cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b minus cos of x minus a into sin of x minus b by denominator cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Now cancellation cos of x minus b, cos of x minus b, cos of x minus a, cos of x minus a. Now sin by cos is tan. So that is the sin 1 by sin of b minus a. Integral of sin by cos is tan of x minus a and tan of x minus b dx. Integral of tan dx. Integral of tan x dx is log mod secant x plus c. Integral of tan x dx is log mod secant x. So in place of x, what is a now? X minus a. So there is a log mod secant of x minus a, or otherwise one more formula also you can apply. In our textbook they given log mod cos is given minus log mod cos x. Minus log mod cos x also you can apply. Any formula you have to apply. Either sin or cos. Sorry, secant or cos you can apply. In our textbook they given cos, so I will apply the cos formula. So this is the 1 by sin of b minus a into this is the minus log mod cos of x minus a minus of minus log mod minus into minus plus cos of x minus b dx plus c. First you have to write the cos, first positive term. So that is the 1 by sin of b minus a into log mod cos of x minus b minus log mod cos of x minus a plus c. Log m minus log n, log of m by n, 1 by sin of b minus a into log mod cos of x minus b by cos of x minus a plus c. I have to apply that formula. Next question. Seventh bit. integral of sin x by sin of a plus x dx. Integral of sin x by sin of a plus x. Numerator sin x is the denominator sin of x, a plus x. Numerator you have to convert it in terms of denominator. So in the angle you can add and subtract the a. Adding and subtracting a in the angle. X can be written as a plus x minus a by denominator sin of a plus x. In the angle you have adding and subtracting a in the numerator. So numerator is in the form of which form we have? Sin of a minus b. Numerator is in the form of sin of a minus b. You can expand sin of a minus b. So this is the integral of a can take a plus x, b have to take a. Sin of a plus x sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by denominator sin of a plus x dx. Split the numerator. Integral of sin of a plus x into cos a by sin of a plus x minus cos of a plus x into sin a by sin of a plus x dx. Now coming to sin get cancelled, cos a, integral of cos a dx minus sin a take outside, sin a into cos by sin cot of a plus x dx. Integral of constant is constant into x, cos a into x minus sin a into integral of cot x is log mod sin x. Log mod sin x is a plus x plus c. After completion of integration, you have to remove the integral symbol and plus c you can add. This is the answer. Copy it. Next, 8th bit. Integral of cot x by log of sin x. Cot x by log of sin x dx. Integral of cot x divided by log of sin x. Take the denominator as t. Sin x తీసుకుంటే sin x divided by cos x is not there in the numerator. In the numerator you have log of cot x. So total denominator you can take as t. Log of sin x you can take as t. Now you have to differentiate it. What is derivative of log f of x? 1 by f of x, 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. X derivative dx equal to dt. Derivative of log f of x, log f of x derivative nana 1 by f of x into f of x derivative is what? F dash x. So in place of f of x, here sin x is there. So 1 by sin x into sin x derivative cos x, x derivative dx equal to t derivative dt. Cos by sin is what is the form I have? Cos theta by sin theta is cot x. Dx equal to dt. Therefore, integral of 1 by log of sin x into cot x dx. So this is the integral of 1 by t. Cot x into dx is dt. Integral of 1 by t is log mod t plus c. That is the log mod t value. What is the t value have? What is the t value have? Log of sin x plus c. So that is the log of sin x plus c is the answer. Copy it. Now coming to next question, Anna. Integral of x cube minus x whole power 1 by 3. Inside the bracket, these type of problems you can do one thing. Inside the bracket in numerator, highest power of x is x cube is there. X cube you have to take common. 1 minus x by x cube you get. Whole power 1 by 3. Into 1 by x power 4 dx. X cube whole power 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by x square whole power 1 by 3, 1 by x power 4 dx. Now these 3 get cancelled, remaining x here. This x divided by x power 4 cancel it. These two get cancelled, remaining x cube will get. So finally we have 1 minus 1 by x square whole power 1 by 3 into what is the remaining here? 1 by x cube dx. Take inside the bracket value as t. Inside the bracket value is t. So this is the 1 minus x power minus 2 equal to t. You have to differentiate it. 1 derivative 0, x power n derivative minus x power n into x power n minus 1 minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1 into x derivative with dx equal to dt. Minus into minus plus x power minus, that is 2 by x cube. 2 divided by x cube dx equal to dt. Then dx by x cube equal to dt by 2. Substitute in this case, therefore that equal to integral of 1 minus 1 by x square whole power 1 by 3 into 1 by x cube dx. This you are taking t value, that you are taking t power 1 by 3 and 1 by x cube into dx is dt by 2. So there is a 1 by 2 into t power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. 1 plus 1 by 3 is how much? 4 by 3. So that is 1 by 2 into t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. 3 goes to numerator, 3 by 2 into 4, 8 into t power 4 by 3 plus c. That is 3 by 8 into what is the value of t here? What is the value of t you are taking? 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 minus 1 by x square whole power 1 by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Copy it. One thing I am telling, first year you did the so much hard work. In our campus, first state result, first mark is the 464 in the first year. Out of 470, out of 470 MPC side 464. Next highest mark 463, 462, say 461 is a, next 459, 458. So many members got the 450 above. Out of 470. Out of 470, 450 above, so many members we have in our campus. 400 members, plenty of the members are there. So try to maintain the second year same result. Definitely we will get the more than 90% result in the intermediate. That is the reason you are not stop the classes. మనం క్లాసెస్ స్టాప్ చేయట్లేదు. ఎందుకు క్లాసెస్ స్టాప్ చేయకుండా మీకు పాసిబుల్ ఉన్న టైంలో అలవాటు చేస్తూ అయ్యే కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. యూ కెన్ గో హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. క్యాలిక్యులస్ పార్ట్ ఉంటుందండి. క్యాలిక్యులస్ పార్ట్ ఆర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది పాయింట్ ఇన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. మీరు బీటెక్లో ఏ గ్రూప్ అయినా తీసుకోండి, క్యాలిక్యులస్ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ 1 పేపర్ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఈ క్యాలిక్యులస్ టాపిక్స్ ఆల్ టాపిక్స్ ఇన్ ద రిమైనింగ్ దానికి ఇంటర్లింక్ ఉంటాయి. అందుకు ఇప్పుడు క్లాసెస్ చెప్పేది నాన్న, మీకు జూమ్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా పంపించేది, యూట్యూబ్ క్లాసెస్ పంపించే రీజను, మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఇది. ఎవ్రీవన్ యూ షుడ్ వాచ్ ఇట్. స్టే హోమ్, స్టే సేఫ్, డోంట్ టేక్ ద టెన్షన్. లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్లో డిలీట్ చేసినా కానీ ఈ మేజర్ టాపిక్ డిలీట్ చేయడానికి ఉండదు. ఈ టాపిక్స్ డిలీట్ చేస్తే హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిఫికల్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనండి, అందుకని క్లాసెస్ కంపల్సరీ అటెండ్ అవ్వండి, క్లాసెస్ వినండి. ఎటు కూడా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాల్సిందే, ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ రాయాల్సిందే. సో కంపల్సరీ క్లాసెస్ వినడానికి ట్రై చేయండి, క్లాసెస్ వినండి. పాసిబుల్ ఉంటే ఎక్కడన్నా వైఫై ఉంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి జస్ట్ వైఫై ఉన్న చోట మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఈ యూట్యూబ్ లింక్లో ఉన్న క్లాసెస్ని డౌన్లోడ్ పెట్టేసుకోండి. డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుంటే ఆఫ్లైన్లోనైనా మీరు క్లాస్ వినొచ్చండి. ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని ఆఫ్లైన్లోనైనా మీరు క్లాస్ వినొచ్చు. అప్పుడు మీ మెమరీ డేటా అనేది సేవ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. కాపీ చేయండి అన్న. Next question Anna. Integral of cosecant square x into sin 2x. So cosecant square x means 1 by sin square x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x dx. Cos x. Sin square cancel. 2 times of cos x by sin x is cot x dx. Cot x means log mod secant x plus c. Integral of tan x cot x is log mod sin x. Integral of cot x is, what is the formula of log mod sin x? Integral of cot x value, that is that. Copy it. So 2 log mod sin x plus c. Now coming to this problem, this can be written as 1 by cos square x. Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x dx. Now denominator cos square x common. Since the reason I will tell, if you take the cos square x common, then this becomes a 1 plus 2 sin x. Here only one cos x is there, so denominator will get the cos x. Then this becomes a tan x. What is the derivative of tan x? Secant square x. So this is a 1 by cos square x means secant square x by 1 plus 2 tan x dx. Now if you take this is as a t, then 2 into tan x divided to secant square x dx equal to dt will get. So directly secant square x into dx value dt will get. So you can take denominator value is as t, 2 tan x equal to t. Differentiate. Constant derivative 0 plus 2 secant square x dx equal to dt will get. 2 secant square x dx value dt will get. To bring the right hand side, we get secant square x into dx equal to dt by 2. To bring the right hand side, we get secant square x into dx equal to dt. So this is the becomes 1 by t into dt by 2. 1 by 2 you can write outside. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x log mod t plus c. That is a 1 by 2 into log mod. What is the value of t have? 1 plus 2 tan x plus c is the answer. Copy it. Coming to next question. Numerator x square common, 1 by x square. Numerator you have to take the x square, then this becomes a 1 by x square plus 1. Denominator x square common, here only 1 is a 1, so 1 by x square plus x square you have dx. X square cancel. This can be written as 1 plus 1 by x square. Denominator I will add x square plus 1 by x square. Adding and subtracting 2. Then this becomes Denominator, this total part is dx 1 plus 1 by x square. This is x square plus 1 by x square. Add, multiply and divide by x. So first three terms is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is a minus b whole square. 2 plus x minus 1 by x whole square dx. Take x minus 1 by x as t. Take x minus 1 by x as t. You have to differentiate it. X divided 1 minus 1 by x divided is minus 1 by x square. Minus into minus plus 1 by x square. X derivative dx equal to t. Take x minus 1 by x equal to t. X derivative 1. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Minus of minus plus becomes 1 by x square dx equal to dt. Substitute 1 plus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. So that becomes the integral of 1 by 2 plus t square dt will get. So this can be written as 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square dt. This is in the form of 1 by a square plus x square dx. What is 1 by a square plus x square dx? Integral of 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So x is the t, a is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of x by a, that is x means t by root 2 plus c. That is 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of, what is the value of t here? T nothing but x minus 1 by x. Substitute here x minus 1 by x by root 2 plus c. Take the LCM, numerator in the angle 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of x into x square minus 1 by denominator x into root 2x we get plus c. This is the answer. Copy it. Next question. Integral of one by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx. 1 by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx. Denominator cos square x common. Denominator take common cos square x. Then that becomes cos square x common. This becomes a square sin square x by cos square x plus b square will get dx. 1 by cos square means secant square by a square tan square x plus b square dt. Okay, Nana? Now coming to a square also, if we will take common, this becomes a b square by a square we get. 1 by a square you can write outside. Take the tan x equal to t. What is tan derivative? Secant square x dx equal to dt. So this is the 1 by a square into secant square x by b by a whole square plus tan square x dx. Secant square x into dx as dt will get. Secant square x into dx as dt. So this is the 1 by a square 1 by b by a whole square plus t square. 1 by a square plus s square formula. What is the formula here? 1 by a square plus s square formula. What is the formula here? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a means b by a. Tan inverse of x by a. T by b by a plus c. A goes to numerator. A by a square b Finally we get answer a by a square b into tan inverse of at by b will get plus c. What is the t value have? Tan x. So 1 by ab into tan inverse of a tan x by b is the answer. Let's see. Otherwise, without taking the a square, without taking a square, limit a tan x you can take as t. No problem. We get the answer. Copy it. Next question. Last question for today. Integral of 14th bit x into root of 4x plus 3 dx. Take the 4x plus 3 equal to t square. You can take as, let 4x plus 3 equal to t square, then x